fellas, got a little surprise for you. Oh buddy, the old motor came in. Oh, it's like Christmas. Old Gen 3 block for the F-150. Just still waiting on the heads. They're getting reworked. Good old surprise. So here soon, we're gonna have another video out. We're gonna go ahead and build this 321 Frankenstein motor. Like I said, as soon as these heads come in, we're gonna get that done. And then we're gonna get another video of dropping that sucker in. Still need y'all to let me know. You gotta tell me in the comments, what are we gonna do as power adders? We're just gonna do cams. We're gonna do Pro Charger, Supercharger, twin turbos. Y'all gotta let me know because I can't decide. Well, we're gonna do the stuff that's, well, not really fun. And clean up, you know? It's gotta be done, just wish it wasn't done by me. No, can't relate. It's alright. So yeah, we're gonna make sure there's no craziness in this pan. Get her nice and cleaned up. Before we pop the Gen 3 old pan off, because when you're building the 321, you gotta use your pan, your pickup tube. Look at that. Your windage tray. This is the bolt. This is a bolt that goes in the crank. The reason why that's important is that is going to be for your pickup tube here. When it goes down right here, that's what this bolt's on. So that goes, you got to take one crank bolt out, do your torque sequence, and boom. That way your pickup tube and all that jazz able to connect in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff cleaned up. Unless y'all want to come over here and do it, by all means, please come do this. I don't know, move my cams. Oh, I'm never organized. I'll never learn. I don't know what to do. Sure. Okay. Yep. Also, somebody send me some Kroll. You can only order it online. This PV blaster stuff, it sucks and it stinks. Kroll smells wonderful. I don't know about y'all, but I like the smell of Kroll. Kroll's the daggone best, that's all I'm saying. What do y'all like to use as penetrating oil? Let me know. Oh, that's good. That's good. Still have oil with it. Oh look, still got an oil filter in there. That should show you how lazy I am. I didn't even throw away my old oil filter. So I guess I'll stand here for the next 3 days. Waiting for this to that didn't sound good, whatever that was. So that means there's broken shit in this old pan from the last motor. Now the next question is, should I pretend I never heard that, or... Yep, clean. I heard it, it was clean. Probably not, there's probably shit. Can I get mine? Can I? Okay, can't go all the way deep, so that's good, I guess. Are you glitter? Like that. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at all that. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's some shit in there. My. Okay. Now seriously, y'all come do this. So I'm just throw it on there. You know, I told you once, I'll tell you again, don't ever take my advice. I'm not the smartest book on the shelf. But I know just enough to be dangerous. Trust me, I ride that line. I'll get the easiest spots first, and then I'll try to get the hard spots, which makes the easy spots dirty again, and then I gotta do it twice. I'll never learn. Yep. It's pretty. It's real pretty. Ah, it's cutting. I'm moving. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Yeah. Like that. What was that? Oh. That's part of the piston. Try to get every nook and cranny and you blow shit up. Or just leave it in there for the next engine. Stop cutting me. It is. Why do they have to make this stuff so sharp? You mean to give it better aerodynamics or something? And you know what? They need to put a warning label on this. We'll cut the fire out of you. It looks like they got boogers in here. Do I got an engine brake? I don't ever have one. Well, since I saw metal in here, I guess I'm not done. Uh-oh. I hear stuff in this. Yeah. Don't worry, it's just a piece of piston. I don't know what happened. Yeah, I'm not gonna get a whole flashlight up in there. Where'd all the rest of the piston go? That's a good question. Ah! Whoa! Okay. Nothing in there. Oh! He's cutting. Yeah. I'm out of. Is this fan making it hard to hear me, or is it the fan noise annoying you? Well, I don't care. It's hot. Deal with it. But like and subscribe. I think that's how it works, right? You don't have to like my content. Just like my content. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, I'm suing forward. I'm just they cut me 10 times. Sharp edges for no reason. Is it clean yet? I guess it's as clean as I'm going to get it without brake clean. Yeah, that's going to hurt. I wonder if I got any stuff to open this up, because I'm sure there's shit in here. Well, yeah, I'm looking at shit. Hey, what? That's. I don't have to be open. The question is, do I have that? Probably not. Oh, no, yeah. Alright, get this in. Guess that wasn't the one. Got that one. Oh, yeah, that's good. Do a gauge here. How many inch pounds? thumbs worth. Y'all act like y'all want to get up and then you want to see what I'm doing? I'm gonna turn off my fan. We're gonna open up this hole here, oil pump. Well, because it was in a motor that exploded. So, we're gonna have to open it up and clean it out. Hoo-ah. Make sure there's no craziness going on in here, which is probably so. Hopefully not, but probably so. I'm probably gonna have to run to O'Reilly's. You know, the fella that originally did all this said these are high pressure fuel pump gears. How much you want to bet they're not? They're just stock. I guess the fella figured, well, he'll never be in there, so he'll never know. Well, I'm going in there, so. And I'm sure there's gonna have a model number on it, and then I can look up that model number and be like, oh, that's the same gears I had in there 18,000 years ago. Meaning from my original Gen 1 motor. Hope none of these bolts are different because I'm just throwing them. Should be fine. And that's why we check. Some more wonderful stuff in there. Okay, well, that's the front. I feel like there's supposed to be a ring there too. Where'd it go? Is it on? Oh, well, no, there's nothing goes there. Okay. All right, well, let's get straight to the exciting part. Let's look up these model numbers and see what these people actually put in there. It says Coyote Mustang on it. Okay. Actually, it may be. Alright, well, I think for now, go back in there. Yeah, come on. Hey, why are you being mean? There we go. I think for now, I'm gonna go do a little bit of research on some parts. Get all that back in there for now. And of course, I'll probably do some more cleaning after research and all that. And I guess when I get to a point where things are getting interesting, or either that or me getting heated and mad and saying crazy shit, I'll let y'all know. See y'all later.